Hi there. In this video, we're going to be learning how to set up your HET01 7-day timer. The first thing you're going to want to do is press the R button to reset the device. Then hit program twice until you see the clock icon appear in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. After that, you'll hit the day, hour, and minute button until the current time when you're watching this video is reflected onto the screen. Note the A and P on the right side of the screen designating AM and PM. Now that we've set the clock, we can start to set a schedule. To do that, we'll press the program button until you see 1 on, then the day button until you see the day or set of days that you want the timer to activate appear at the top of the screen. Then we'll hit the hour and minute button to reflect the time that we want the timer to turn on. In this case, we chose 6:20 a.m. on every weekday. However, after every on schedule you set, you must also set an off schedule. Since we did 1 on already, now we'll press program until we get to 1 off. Then we'll hit the day button until we see every weekday appear again, and the hour and minute button until we see the time that we want the timer to turn off. In this case, it'll be 7:10 a.m. So the timer will turn on every weekday from 6:20 to 7:10 a.m. Lastly, make sure your timer is set to auto mode so that it can correctly turn on and off according to the schedules that you set. That's it.